So hi guys, today for you I have something new. It's water soluble stabilizer. I start working with this because of my dress what I'm making, and I need this embroidery to be soft on the skin, to not be scratchy. And then I looked through internet what would be the best, and of course I came across this. So I was using tearaway stabilizer before, but then I came across this one, bought it at Joann, and it says that it's perfect for everything, like from paper dolls, as you can see. You can use it also for laces, if you make lace, and it's very easy to dissolve. So right away when it gets in contact with the water, it's gonna dissolve. This is Pelham brand. They also gonna give you this paper, so you have instructions. This is how it looks when it's cut, just so you know. It's very soft. If your hands are wet, it's gonna get sticky, of course. So I need it today for dress I've been working on. So this is the bottom of the dress, and also let me show you. This is the top. I put some beads. Oops. I put some beads here on the neckline, kind of to be something different. And these are the sleeves. So I'll see if I'm gonna put some embroidery here or not, but that's a different project we're gonna talk about. So for today, I need to put one more pelican here. So I'm gonna show you how I put this stabilizer and how I use embroidery machine, Brother Sewing SE600, what you can see in my YouTube channel, a little bit introduction to my machine, which I'm repeating, I'm totally in love, because not only that I use it as embroidery machine, I also use it as a regular sewing machine. Okay, let's start. So this one goes on the top, as you know, and this one goes on the bottom. So machine is on the left, so you need to make sure that you have like a little bit left over of the stabilizer, and then you need to figure it out where I'm gonna exactly use it. Okay. That piece cut it already was from before flower, so it's a little bit longer. I could trim it off. So I guess I want one more pelican, something here. I hope this is correct. I'm gonna pull it a little bit down to not be too high. I guess something like this. Okay, so make sure to open the frame, right? So it can click from the top when you press it like this, and then click. That's it. So then I'm gonna go back and roll as strong as I can, but not too strong. Okay, let me check the back side. Okay, so you see it's not really firm. That's why I'm gonna a little bit pull on the sides, just gently, so you don't rip the stabilizer. Check on the backing. Okay, stabilizer is pretty soft, and if it's not really good tight, what I suggest, you can unscrew again and slightly pull it to fix it the way you want it, right? Okay, That's perfect. I love it. This side together with fabric. Voila. Okay. So now we're gonna go back to the machine and let's see how it's gonna look. So as I said, I'm using Brother sewing machine, embroidery machine and sewing 2-in-1, so it's SE600. It's good. So the first thing, you always make sure that you have bobbin ready, prepared, because you do not want in the middle of the project to get stuck and you need to wind another embroidery thread. So let me check this first. So I prepared this. So this is drop down bobbin. As you can see, you go around like this, and here cut top. Okay, I have my USB stick where it's already prepared everything what I need, the design, and it's going on the side here, and then I'm going to turn on the machine. So the stick is in, just touch the screen and then press OK. Yeah, this was already project, so I kind of recall a previous memory, right? And because that's the project actual what I really need, and it's already set up, so it's gonna be 35 minutes. The first project, it's gonna be 502 color, and I'm kind of, most of the time I'm using the colors they recommend, but sometimes if I don't like it, I use my color what I think it would be the best. So you can improvise, you don't have to be stuck with the color what's on the chart, you can do your colors. Okay, so let me show you how we're gonna put hoop and how we're gonna start. We need the thread, so it goes here, here, right, and through this little hook in the back. Then we need to go all the way down, then up back through the little hook, behind the hook, and through the needle. And back. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I'm going to put the hoop. So these little openings for these circles, or how they're pulled, they need to click. You go slowly, gently under. As you can see, go like this. Pull this back, slightly gently push, and it clicked. Perfect. That's what I need. Now I'm gonna again make sure that the fabric is still perfect. It's not wrinkled or anything like it. Okay, thread on the back. Gonna pull the lever down, press button green, and project may start. So this color is finished. So now we have 153. I already put on the side all these colors what I need. So this is how we're gonna, oh, I forgot to mention, here is the little scissor sign, and that cuts your thread. So I think we put this one. So this project is only 1 minute. So the other color is ready and we can start. I usually wait for a couple of stitches, then I pause, and then I use scissors, and then I cut off the longer thread on the side and then let it continue. Just cut it, change, but sometimes it takes 5, 10, depends how long one color. I can pour coffee, have quick snack, but I don't recommend like leaving machine for too long. As I said, sometimes it can get tangled, the needle can break, so you should be close that you can pause it. Whatever happens with machine, my advice, don't panic, don't get frustrated, right away pause the machine and then figure it out, what's happening, what you can do, how you can fix it. Even me, sometimes I can go on YouTube and Google and check how I can help to untangle or what I'm supposed to do. Okay, let's go next. So the project is done. Now we're gonna flip over and peel off the stabilizer. So this is how it looks on the back. So now I'm gonna peel off the backing. So that's a stabilizer like this. Just do this. And then I'm gonna use scissors to cut off these extra strings they left. So clean it up. And it should look later like this. So that's it for today's project. Thank you.